Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Task Manager taskeng.exe opens randomly on Windows 10. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start, type here CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. So type this command and press enter. Guys, scanning will take some minutes. So wait, this all scanning procedure will be complete. And once this scanning procedure will be complete, just restart your PC or laptop. And hopefully guys, after restart, this problem task eng.exe opens randomly problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.